Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to decontaminate your rims with minimal effort and maximum results. Firstly, always try to wash your vehicle in a cool area out of the sun if possible, and don't spray chemicals on a hot surface. Now I'm using GYEON's iron wheel cleaner and going to spray this directly onto the rim. As you can see, I did not rinse the wheel first. Spray it on liberally, get it onto the rotors and into the barrel of the rim. Now let this dwell for 2 minutes so the cleaner can do its work to its full potential. I'm leaving the tires out of this process for now because I have a dedicated video focused on cleaning the tires and will link that in the description below. While this is dwelling for 2 minutes, you can easily go and prep the other rims. So we're 2 minutes into it, and I'm going to rinse the rim. Now this is an effective iron remover, and that purple color is the chemical reaction of sintered iron particles dissolving in the solution. Now we're going to try to make this as touch-free as possible. Therefore, I'm not going to scrub this, and that's what makes working on multiple wheels at the same time incredibly easy. So just proceed with rinsing them off. Now, apply a second application of GYEON's iron wheel cleaner. The less contact with any surface, the better your chances of not scratching it, especially if you have sensitive coatings. With this second application, you can see how much iron particles have been removed. Once again, followed by another rinse. Now it's time to apply shampoo, and I'll show you the light touch brushes that I use to remove any remaining debris. I have GYEON foam in my bucket as this helps to remove heavy dirt deposits. With various wheel brushes, you want to get the barrel of the rim. Here's a soft wheel woolly that could get into those hard to reach areas. This one just happens to be a GYEON wheel woolly. You don't want to put a contaminated wheel woolly back inside your clean bucket, even if you have a grit guard, so just rinse it outside. For heavy soiled areas, you want to use a soft bristle brush, such as this one. Now, I personally hate using this brush because it will spray all the soap and debris on your arms and clothing. However, it is effective if needed. Just wear a light jacket to cover up your good clothing because they will get ruined with this brush. It's a good practice to keep rinsing these tools outside of your clean bucket. For any sort of contact wash, always make sure you have lots of soap for lubrication, so apply as needed. For the surface of the rim, a wheel mitt or soft brush is preferred. I like using the plush microfiber mitts, and if needed, I also have a soft bristle brush from Adams with a rubber coating so I don't have to worry about hitting the rims. Try not to rinse the mitt or brush in the bucket, even if you have a grit guard on the bottom. Just rinse it outside to reduce any metal that could contaminate the water bucket. Don't forget the lug nuts or tight areas on the rim. This is where you'll need a smaller detailing brush. Once again, always rinse these tools outside the bucket. Now proceed with your final rinse. Now I could tell the barrel of this rim is clean by the looks of that clear water behind the vehicle. With this method, all the iron and brake dust is removed. Then you can move to the tires and body, followed by protectants to keep everything looking good before your next wash. There you have it, an easy way to clean one of the dirtiest areas of the car with very little contact. Just let GYEON do all the hard work by cleaning and decontaminating so you don't have to do any of that heavy scrubbing. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.